Titanium reading glasses? It's not often that you see high quality pure titanium used to make ready-made off-the-shelf reading glasses, but oh yes, eyeOs Eyewear has gone and done it. Hello and welcome to the Hicks Brunson Eyewear YouTube channel. I am your friendly neighborhood optician, Daniel Brunson. Here on the channel, we talk about all things eyewear, lens technology, cool new frame styles, all of the things that we love to share with you, our customers, and our viewers from our store right here in Tulsa, Oklahoma, or online at hicksbrunson.com. You can check out all of the products that we talk about in our videos at hicksbrunson.com. So eyeOs Eyewear is a brand of reading glasses that I have come to know and love over the years. They're known for good quality lenses, much better lenses than you typically find in a ready-made reading glass. They have anti-reflective coatings and blue filters, good quality acetate frames like the Mason here, well-made hinges, made on a miter cut, strong, durable. But today, we're gonna talk about something new from eyeOs. We're gonna talk about eyeOs Pure Titanium Eyewear. Why titanium? Well, for one, it's 2 times stronger than conventional metals, and also it's 50% lighter. And what that means is a more durable and reliable frame, and also a frame that's more comfortable for you to wear. This is the Michaela in a red-violet color, and it's a really beautiful finish. It sort of has a matte finish, red on the outside of the front, violet on the outside of the temples, and then you flip inside and it reverses. Purple, violet on the inside of the front, and red on the inside of the temples. We also have Michaela here in a gold and black. As I said before, flex temple, ultra comfortable to wear. Perhaps my new favorite one, some of you might know why. This is the Daniel. So the Daniel here, you have it in a black and silver color. We also have it here in a blue and black color. And this is a good shape. I'm just gonna go out and say, like, this is probably one of those shapes that's very flattering on most face shapes. Most of you will be able to wear the Daniel. It fits a medium-sized face really well. And one of the things I noticed as I try these on, and I already mentioned that they're titanium, so they're super lightweight. They're very comfortable to wear. That has to do with the construction of the temple arms. This is a very robust hinge, but it's a very thin and flexible temple arm. And it is pure titanium, and it's not beta titanium. It is solid titanium. Titanium is a material that it's the lightest, strongest metal. And the reason it's a little more expensive than conventional metals is not that it's more scarce, the material titanium, but it's just more, it's a lot more of a lengthy process to make it, to mill it, to mine it, to mill it into a 1.8 millimeter thick front. It has to be done with a special soldering process called blazoning at 900 degrees Fahrenheit in an oxygen-free environment. But the end result is this ultra flexible temple design that when it goes on really smooth, and it's very comfortable to wear. So again, this is the Daniel. Perhaps one of the most fun pieces in the new collection is the Logan. So this is a navy brown. Logan also available in this super fun red. So I know a lot of you out in the viewing audience are big fans of the round shape. Round is like a personality frame. It's like some people just round is kind of their look, and it's one of the more fun shapes to wear. And so that's why I was really glad when I saw that one of the styles available in the Pure Titanium collection from eyeOs is this Logan. So you have great colors, and I want to make sure you get a good look at some of these colors here. The finishes are what's really beautiful. Sort of a matte finish, but just very clean, very smooth. The nose pad here is very cushy, so it fits comfortably on the bridge of the nose, and just very, very easy to wear. I could picture myself wearing these for many hours at a time, and some frames are just heavy. They're heavy on the ears, they're heavy on the nose. 2 things go into the comfort: the ergonomic design, if it's designed well, and also if it's lightweight. And so you've got all of those things combined in this pure titanium collection from eyeOs that make for a very comfortable fit. All right, so I have one more little surprise for you in the pure titanium collection. This is a half-eye reader, and this is called Pocket. In a traditional half-eye reader like this, you have the lenses down here. You can look over the top to see across the room. Why is this called Pocket? People are gonna love this. I think men are especially gonna love this. It's a folding reader. Folds here and here, and look at this. It fits into this pocket size case. So fold it up, put it inside there, tuck in the temples, tuck in the cloth, zip it up, easily fits into your pocket. This is gonna make a great gift. Everybody's gonna love this, especially men, because when, say you go out to dinner and you wanna take your reading glasses with you, you've got a pocket-sized reader that you can pull out, put on to read the menu, and then put it back in your pocket when you're finished. And the thing about the folding reader, I've seen folding readers in the past. If they're not designed well, they don't hold up well, they're not comfortable to wear. This is a great design. It also comes in gold, comes in silver, comes in hematite, and also matte black silver. But this is a comfortable design to wear, and because it's made of pure titanium, only weighs 11 grams, but it's tough as steel. So it's gonna be a good, reliable design, and I think it makes a great gift. So these are frames that have the great eyeOs lenses that are known for their quality lenses with scratch-resistant coatings, non-glare coatings, and blue filters. So just like the rest of the eyeOs collection, all of the lenses are made with the highest quality. All right, so in closing, I'll just say that I love eyeOs reading glasses for the high quality, anti-reflective coatings, blue filters on the lenses. They're all available as ready-made reading glasses. So you can shop in store for eyeOs reading glasses right here at Hicks Brunson Eyewear in Utica Square in Tulsa, or you can shop online right now at hicksbrunson.com for all the eyeOs reading glasses that you see behind me here. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked what you saw today and you want to see more videos like this, please comment, like, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.